This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Insert the ignition key into the lock, rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet, then clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and support it with the prop. Undo the torx screws securing the headlight to the vehicle body. Pull the headlight forwards a little to release the lower retainer. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Prise open the clips and remove the cover. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Release the retaining clip and pull the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector, aligning the lugs on the flange with the slots in the reflector socket. Fold over the retaining clip and engage it with the catch. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Refit the cover and secure it with the clips. Indicator bulb. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and pull it from the headlight. Depress the bulb slightly, rotate it anti-clockwise and pull it from the holder. The bayonet pins of the bulb are offset. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Align the pins of the bulb with the slots in the holder. Press it in and twist it clockwise to secure. Refit the bulb holder to the headlight and twist it clockwise. Reconnect the wiring plug. Maneuver the headlight into position, pushing in the lower edge to engage the retainer. Then refit the two torx screws and tighten them securely. Clip the support back into place on the front panel, then firmly close the bonnet.